The much-awaited Kirit Parikh panel recommendation on export parity pricing is ready and will be submitted before the government next week. Nithya Balakrishnan joins in with the final contours of this report. Nithya, run us through what you've picked up.
Well, Avan, what we're picking up from top government sources is that the Kirit Parikh-led expert panel is likely to sign the report on 19th of October. And of course, as per the convenience of Oil Minister Veerappa Moily, they will be officially submitting this report to the Oil Ministry as early as next week. Now, what we've picked up from top government sources is that in its final version, the recommendation coming in from the expert panel is a huge breather indeed for fuel retailers, because what they're going ahead and recommending is trade parity pricing for diesel, clearly indicating that switching over to EPP or export parity pricing at the behest of the Finance Ministry is simply not a viable option. Now, on LPG and kerosene, we're given to understand that import parity pricing is being batted for. Of course, we're also picking up some details when it comes to subsidy compensation by the upstream companies. Now, we're given to understand recommendations are very strong for GAIL to be exempt from any kind of subsidy bearing for forthcoming years. We're given to understand that for ONGC and Oil India, the outgo will not be an ad hoc quantum, but they're indicating that going ahead, they should link it to global crude prices. And of course, this will be tabulated. If global crude prices are between 90 to 100, then there will be X amount that ONGC, Oil India have to shell out. If it goes higher, it will definitely be more subsidy outgo for the upstream companies. But the fact that export parity pricing is not being batted for in the final recommendations will be a definite breather indeed for IOC, HPCL and BPCL. It will be interesting to see, of course, what the Oil Ministry decides to do on this final report. But for now, what we're picking up is that on the 19th, the expert panel will sign this and hand over this report to the Oil Ministry next week, Avan.